Papa Joe's, written in the 1920s or before, but I'm not sure by whom, made famous by the Dixiebelles in 1963. I play capoed up here on the 3rd fret. Everything I say will be relative to this capo, so if I say I'm playing a G, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly a B flat. For the main part of the song, there's just 3 chords. It's a G, it's an A, or A7, and a D, and back to the G. I'm pretty much playing an alternating bass in the entire song, starting with a G on the 6th and the 4th string as I'm playing my melody. And the melody is E, D sharp, D, D sharp, E, D sharp, D. So it's... And then you move to the A chord, but you're leaving your 2nd string open, so it's really an A2 or an A9. And the bass there is the 5th and 4th strings. So the melody's a 2nd string B, a B flat on the 3rd string, and then an A on the 3rd string, and back up. So the first 2 chords are this next chord is a D chord, but I'm playing a D with an F sharp bass. So I'm holding on the 2nd fret on the 6th string, holding on the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and I'll play either the D or the B here. So for the alternating bass for this, it's the 6th string and the 4th string, and the melody is 3rd string, 2nd fret, open 2nd string, D on the 2nd string. So together it's like this. And then staying on this D chord, you finish it out. And then to a G. And what that is, staying on the D chord, the melody is D, D sharp, E, D sharp, and then when you get down to this G, you end it with a G chord. And the last time through, it's a D sharp, E, F sharp on the 1st string, and then G. For the main part of the song, it's a G, it's a A, and it's a D, and back to the G. And you just improvise in the times in between where you're not playing the Papa Joe part. So it's for the G chord, A 7th chord, D chord, and back to the G, and then do the Papa Joe's part. And then you can improvise again for the G chord, for the A chord, and then for the D chord, back to the G chord. For the break, the chord structure is a C chord, and I'm playing a G for the melody, a G chord, I'm playing a G for the melody, an A 7th chord, I'm playing a G for the melody, and then a D chord. G, drop down to an F sharp, and then back to the chorus. Also, for that break part, you can do this for your melody. For the C chord, and there you're hitting the 5th and the 3rd strings for your alternating. And then the same thing with the G, except you're hitting the 6th and the 4th. And then for the A chord, and then for the D chord, and then back to the chorus. Besides for this main chorus part, the rest of the song is really all about improvising. As long as you use the chord structure the same, you can do whatever you like. I'd never play it the same way twice.